Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a wiper blade. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. To prevent any accidental damage, place a thick towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield directly beneath the wiper arm. This simple step protects your glass from scratches or cracks if the arm snaps back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Most wiper blades attach with a small tab or button near the arm's end. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and away from the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. It might require a little wiggle, but avoid forcing it. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was connected. This will help you understand how to attach the new one. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade's connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once the new blade is secure, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do not let it snap down, as this could damage the glass or the arm. If your vehicle has two wiper blades, repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new blades using your washer fluid to ensure they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.